Good morning. My name is Verona. I'm an MPhil scholar from the National Institute of Psychology, Quaid-e-Azam University, Pakistan. The topic of my poster is the mediating role of coping strategies between sense of coherence and psychosocial functioning of media professionals. This is my poster, starting with the introduction. Technological improvements and the globalization of news content have exposed journalists to traumatic content. Media professionals by occupation are at a higher risk of being exposed to events that are potentially traumatic and capable of producing serious deleterious effects. The ways in which individuals cope with stressful traumatic situations impact their personal and professional lives. Sense of coherence is a global orientation that influences the extent to which individuals perceive the world as comprehensible, manageable, and meaningful. Psychosocial functioning is individuals' perception of leading a successful life in terms of maintaining relationships, performing daily life activities, and fulfilling the demands of the community where one resides. It is thus hypothesized that media professionals with a strong sense of coherence, such as high comprehension, manageability, and meaningfulness, will utilize adaptive coping strategies instead of maladaptive coping strategies, which will enhance their psychosocial functioning. To see how this occupational group cope with their daily stressors, a model was conceptualized based on Antonovsky's 1987 Health, Stress, and Coping model. Coming to the method section, the objectives of the study were to study the relationship among sense of coherence, coping strategies, and psychosocial functioning of media professionals. Number two, to determine the mediating role of coping strategies in the relationship between sense of coherence and psychosocial functioning of media professionals. Hypothesis. Task coping strategies will positively mediate in the relationship between sense of coherence and psychosocial functioning of media professionals. Emotion coping strategies will negatively mediate in the relationship between sense of coherence and psychosocial functioning of media professionals. Avoidance coping strategies will negatively mediate in the relationship between sense of coherence and psychosocial functioning of media professionals. The instruments utilized in the present study were Sense of Coherence Scale, devised by Antonovsky in 1993. It has 3 subscales and has 13 items. The alpha reliability in the present study was 0.72, and the response categories were on a semantic scale ranging from 1 to 7. The second scale used was Coping Inventory for Stressful Situations, developed by Andler and Parker in 1990. It also has 3 subscales. Each subscale has 7 items, and the alpha reliability in the present study ranged from 0.75 to 0.79. The response categories range from 1, not at all, to 5, very much. The third scale used was devised by Diner. It has 8 items, and the alpha reliability in the present study was 0.78. The response categories ranging from 1 strongly disagree to 7 strongly agree. Sample. Data was collected from 307 media professionals, of which 263 were males and 28 were females, working in different media organizations in Peshawar, Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad, with age range from 17 to 72 years. Research design of the present study was cross-sectional survey design, and data was collected through purposive sampling technique. Inclusion criteria was media professionals working on desk and in field. Exclusion criteria was media professionals who had received treatment for any mental or physical illness. The procedure was seeking permission and approaching sample in media organizations, briefing the sample about study objectives and obtaining informed consent, ensuring ethical consideration such as confidentiality and the right to leave. Results. Pearson product moment correlation analysis were conducted to see bivariate correlation among study variables. The results were sense of coherence is significantly positively related to task coping strategies and psychosocial functioning. Emotion coping strategies are significantly negatively related with sense of coherence and psychosocial functioning. Avoidance coping strategies are negatively but non-significantly related with sense of coherence and psychosocial functioning. Furthermore, mediation analyses were conducted. Table 3 shows the mediation for task coping strategies in relationship between sense of coherence and psychosocial functioning. The predictability of psychosocial functioning by sense of coherence increases from 11 to 14% with the addition of task coping strategies. The model explained 3% of variance in psychosocial functioning of media professionals. Table 4 shows the mediation analysis for emotion coping strategies between sense of coherence and psychosocial functioning. The predictability of psychosocial functioning by sense of coherence increases from 11 to 15% with the inclusion of emotion coping strategies. The model explained 4% of variance in the psychosocial functioning of media professionals. Discussion and conclusion. Sense of coherence has been linked with general and psychological well-being. Thus, media professionals with a high sense of coherence use task coping strategies more and consequently had higher psychosocial functioning, as task coping strategies are considered adaptive and linked to better quality of life, mental health, and well-being. Similarly, high sense of coherence led to low use of emotional coping, which resulted in high psychosocial functioning. Implications of the present study are interventions can be designed and implemented to enhance the sense of coherence and the multiple and flexible use of effective coping strategies among media professionals for smooth psychosocial functioning. That's all. Thank you.